Hi, my name is Rodrigo. Today, I'm going to talk about one of many ways that you can use EnvisionTEC's line of micro 3D printers. First, you make a mold using a standard dental impression mix. Using 3Shape Dental Design Suite, you are able to take the mold of your upper palate and scan it to create both the reference model and the STL to design a new tooth that will snap fit onto any desired tooth. The EnvisionTEC Micro DDP is used to print the newly designed tooth with EnvisionTEC's eDent material. And now, with your custom snap fit teeth, you are ready to venture out into the night.